I guess we'll have to wait and see what comes out, but I'm curious if he's having any influence on their theory of the case. We know we're seeing this alibi defense put forth. That was an excellent report. We just played on it at the top of our hour here that Matt Johnson put together. So we know what's coming. The state knows what's coming. I'm curious who it's coming from. If this is coming from Alex Murdaugh or if it's coming from an independent investigation that, you know, Dick Harpootlian and the other attorney put together. Share with us your thoughts on it, please.
Well, I'm certain that they hired their own team of private investigators in this case. I mean, and that's not uncommon. I do that when I have a murder case. I mean, you don't want to just lay your entire defense based on the information that the state's investigators and law enforcement investigators put together, because they typically, I mean, even the best investigators, they'll miss things, or there are things they won't follow up on, or there are things they'll make mistakes about. And oftentimes, you know, they only want to investigate things that are consistent with their theory of the case, you know, versus asking questions and trying to get evidence and obtain evidence that's inconsistent with the defendant's guilt. So I'm certain that early on, you know, that was a big part of the defense. Their own investigators, their own experts, forensic experts, you know, data experts to analyze all the data. Matter of fact, I know Dick has somebody on staff that's an expert in document organization and digital imagery. He can go through all that kind of stuff. So I'm certain they had a substantial number of that, and I'm certain that their defense is based significantly and substantially on the evidence they could uncover on their own, because it's going to be different than what the prosecution has.